Hello keto lovers, welcome to 5 Minute Kitchen with Shraddha. Wishing you a very happy and healthy new year. We all miss our favorite pasta and noodles when we are on low carb diet or keto diet. So I have come up with this interesting keto recipe to satisfy all those cravings, Keto Pasta Noodles. You will definitely enjoy this low carb recipe. Let's start. Firstly, we will shred the cabbage. Here I have removed loose and dark outer leaves and sliced it into 1/3 from the side. Now place this cut side down on the cutting board and thinly slice the cabbage into strips. There are only 3.2 grams net carbs per 100 grams of cabbage, making it ideal for low carb keto diet. Now we will loosen the strips and wash thoroughly. Heat up the pan and add 2 small butter cubes. Add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. Now add onion juliennes and saute it for a minute, just to get rid of its raw smell. Add cabbage strips. Toss it for a minute. Please do not overcook these and turn off the flame when cabbage starts changing its color. Now we will prepare the sauce. Take a big bowl and add 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon oregano, red chili powder, black pepper, lemon juice and salt as per your taste. Give it a good mix and make a smooth paste. Now add cabbage strips that we prepared earlier. Mix it properly with the sauce. Our mouth-watering keto pasta noodle is ready in less than 5 minutes. Now serve it on a serving plate and sprinkle some spring onions. Please try this amazing, quick and easy recipe and add this in your keto list. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be the first to watch our new recipes coming your way. Also share your helpful feedbacks. Thanks for watching.